Well, my name is Mansoor Khan, and I represent Z2O Enterprise. We are based in Michigan, and we are quite a young company. We are just born a year ago. Why did we choose One Team US? Apart from the other companies, thousands of companies in the globe. Well, One Team US is not the only company that we spoke to start with. Much before that, we spoke to other companies as well. But we found more comfortable with One Team while we were showing our presentation. They were not just being the listeners. They were pouring in their ideas, which helped a lot to improvise our application, the mobile application. To start with, they did not complement the app, so that's something that we liked about it. They started talking, how are we going to take this in the market, and who's our target audience, and how are we going to promote this? Just not on the development phase, but on the marketing level. How are we going to get the revenue out of it? So those are the things that made us so confident with One Team and take the project forward. When we came to One Team, they really challenged our ideas. They put a question on our thought itself. So that in fact probed our thoughts to go deeper into the idea and come up with more features and functionalities within the app. They would have easily got us with the proposed idea that we have, but they ensured to talk about pros and cons about the idea and how things may or may not function within the app. What are the challenges and how well they can overcome those challenges in all the aspects, because the app that we have, or rather the app that we want to build, it's quite a complex app. It is not as easy as we look them on the presentation, right? But then when we heard from them and together we discussed and came out with a much more efficient app than what we thought. What did we think about the designs and the ideas? They're outstanding. We are a young company and we haven't witnessed any other app which we own it, right? We have seen apps on App Store or on Apple Store, but then looking at your own app has a different view altogether. But when we have seen the designs, they're very professional. They're very clear and not too bright. I mean, the creative team has taken our idea, taken our vision to the next level. And I've used more than 50 to 60 apps in a course of my journey. The most difficult part that I come across is the way we use it, the convenience of identifying the options. And our app does require that convenience because the target audience are not tech savvies. They don't know how to use a tablet. They don't properly know how to use an app, right? And we are trying to give this app to that to those audience who would be very comfortably using this app without any initial introduction, because it's self-spoken. Why is it important for the app to be easy to use? Well, our audience are teachers or admins who represent the schools, and they may not use apps as thoroughly as we do, right? So we wanted to bring out an app which is very user-friendly, convenient, and easy to use, easy to locate the options, and not too complex words within the app, and easy to navigate to various sections of the features in the app. Who would I recommend One Team US to? For the beginners, for the established companies, you take me. We are a young company. We just started our ideas and we wanted to turn them into most effective application to use. Why would I recommend One Team US to entrepreneurs? Is because they challenge your ideas and help you to get the bigger picture. They would allow you to express your ideas and then they would pour in. And that way you would really know that you're talking to the right people and they have the same excitement as you do about your vision.
The name of our mobile app is Agenda.
Why did we build the Agenda School app? It is basically to fill in the gaps between the administration of the school, the teachers, and the parents. So this app helps to keep the parents notified about the results, to keep notified about the attendance and the class schedule. So this simplifies the school management between the parents, admin, and the teachers. What is my experience working with One Team? I should say it's outstanding. The most interesting thing that I liked about is their follow-ups and they're committed to the deliverables and their ideas about the projects, not just in the initial phase, but then as in we started getting into the progress of the app, they have poured in more ideas and timely updates, asking about our feedback about the designs, about the testing phase. That is something that I have not witnessed in any other company. So congratulations, One Team.